Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to enable Now Playing in a Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and other Pixel device running the Android 16 or Android 15 version. You can use the Google's Now Playing feature to quickly find the song on your lock screen or find the artist name or song name on your lock screen. So you need to first enable this feature. To enable Now Playing, open the app drawer on your Pixel device. Open the settings app. Now scroll down. Here you can search the Now Playing also or tap on sounds and vibration. Now scroll down at the end of the screen. Here you can find the Now Playing. Identify the songs playing the nearby your device. So here you can see the Now Playing option. Show the name and the artist of the song playing nearby on your lock screen device. So here you can check your Now Playing history also. Here you can see Now Playing history. Also, you can set the default music player as a YouTube Music or Google Play Music you want on your device as a default music player for the Now Playing. So make sure to click on this option on your device. You can add this shortcut to the home screen also. You tap on add to home screen, but we can't add. Here you can see the notification option to show on the lock screen. Make sure to click on this option. Now here you can see the default music player, Now Playing history and NS Now Playing. Use the Google search to identify the song not recognized by your device and provide album number. Now it will helpful. Now we play the music in nearby device and you can find it working. Here you can't see the any music info. Now when we play the music you can see the lock screen music name artist name. Let's play. Due to copyright due to copyright issue we can't play the music now, but here you can see my Pixel 10 device or any other Pixel device will recognize the song name, artist name on the lock screen on your device. So this is the very helpful feature Now Playing to identify the song name or artist name on the lock screen without unlock your device. You can also get this feature in your Now Playing history. So check on the Now Playing history and at the top you can find the music name or a song name on your device. So quite easy to use the Now Playing on your Google Pixel 10 series to identify the songs playing the nearby your Pixel device on lock screen. So if you like this feature, please like it or hype this video. Thank you for watching this.